Alright y'all, welcome back to yet another episode of Stock Lock Sunday. This time around we've got a pretty cool lock. It's a Lockwood ASSA ABLOY. It's been pinned to 6, but it is all stock. Oops. This is one that FunKey MonKey sent me a while back, and as you can see it says on the bag, stock lock pinned to 6. It is ASSA ABLOY Lockwood on the front. It's an oval. So we're going to see if we can't pick into this for Stock Lock Sunday. And I want to thank everybody too for making Stock Lock Sunday so freaking awesome. I never thought it would grow to be so big and widespread. I mean, it's already, I guess you can say, worldwide because it's everywhere. So thank you so much. I just think it's fantastic. And I forget, and I apologize, somebody had the idea of putting the hashtag Stock Lock Sunday in the title. Credit to you too for that. I don't remember who it was, but if you want to put it down in the comments, that'd be handy. I'd appreciate it. And what else was I going to say? Oh, and a shout out too to the Helpful Lock Picker, because he gave me a shout out, or actually for the Locks Without Borders today, which was freaking awesome. So, and I'm actually in the middle of making shelves for those instead of having them hang like they are right now. So. That's still in the works. I was actually cutting wood today, so we'll get it. All right, so we're tied down here. Enough rambling. Let's see if we can't get into this bad boy. Let me get the microphone a little bit out of my way. There we go. All right, so we're going to go top of keyway, which is my favorite if I can do it. And I'm going to use the Sparrows. I'm not sure what it's called. It's kind of a low rise. It's got the little boob. It's just got a little... low rise with just a little lump on it, and it seems to fit in here just beautifully. So that's what we're going to do. All right, recock. Let's do this. Got one right off the bat, but let's feel around a little bit and make sure that's the one I want. And I think it is. Okay. Well. Okay, that was nice. That was about 4-ish. I'm trying to make the pins tell me what they want here. Okay, that was nice. I think that was pin 2, maybe. Let me see. Give them each the little. Okay, here we go. That's got to be about 5. That felt good. All the way in the back now, I think. Yep, that might be a tough one. Okay, we might have set it. It felt good. Up front. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm not sure. I think we got one right about here. That did feel good. Okay. Wasn't sure on that one. It felt good. Feels like we're in a slight false set now. Oh, counter rotation. And that's way back there. That might be okay. Let's say that might be a tough one there. Okay. A little bit more in the back. Up more. There we go. Beautiful. What a beautiful lock. I love these locks. The tolerances are really good in these. I will tell you this though. I will take a new Lockwood over a used Lockwood to pick any day. In my experience, and it goes for many locks, probably all of them, honestly. But It seems like the older ones, Lockwoods, I've even tried older master locks that are pretty freaking tough. It seems like once they get a little bit of life in them, they get pretty tough to pick. So, all right, let's see what we got in this Lockwood oval here. Let's get backed out a little bit. And I got something special to show off from Washington State Picker. He made this too. It's one of those kick holders, but a little bit shorter. Now this is probably for holding them because it's round. I don't normally hold a kick, but I'll still put it to use. I see why he did it round, so. And here it is. Made me a pinning tray. Put my logo on it. And the surprising thing is it almost put my name down here like it is on my logo. But, I mean, those are small letters. 3D printers are pretty freaking awesome, but those on here are, I mean, heck, they're not even 1/8 of an inch tall, so they didn't quite work out, but almost. But that's fine. That did. I think it's sweet. So thank you. Thank you very much. All right, let's see what we got in this bad boy right here. Okay, so yeah, we're very much open. Fair enough. We do got a key, don't we? Did I show the key working? Where's the key? Sorry about that. There's the key. I do apologize. I usually show that first, but it works like butter. Very nice. Couple screws in the back. Yeah, I was been cutting wood today for the little shelves. They're going to be kind of narrow because locks don't take up a lot of room. Padlocks don't. I just think little shelves would be better than hanging them all like they are. We'll see. I don't think I'm going to need to shim it, but yeah, I don't know. I'm going to do it anyways. Why not? It's not a challenge lock, but ooh, okay. Let's see. Bada boom, bada bang. Make sure it fits good. Yep, it's got a 6-pack in it for sure. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Now these are all going to be standard, I'm sure, because that's what he said. But we will show that everything is in the lock in working order to make it a valid lock. Alright, that's all standard, of course, stock. Bada boom, bada bang. Shim. Alright. Nice. Lockwood spool. Another Lockwood spool. It did feel really, honestly, it felt like they were all spools, so that might be the case. Pretty much every one of them gave me some counter, so. Yep. We're 5 for 5, so I can only guess. Yep, okay. It's always got to be a stubborn one, right? There we go. Oh, it's copper or something. Slightly different, but alrighty. So go ahead and get a close-up on these. Very nice, beautiful pins, Lockwood pins. And they are all standard. I'm going to see real quick if these are tapered on the top. I don't know. They are. These key pins got that slight taper on the top, kind of like the, I guess all the Lockwoods. Makes them slightly harder to pick. And then obviously all spools. So again, that was from Stock lock sent in by the FunKey MonKey, so thank you, FunKey, for sending that in. We did a swap a while back, an awesome swap. And that'll do it for this episode of Stock Lock Sunday. Please comment. I love your comments, and as always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of you, and we're coming up on the big 400 sub giveaway, so I'm freaking excited about it, man. I appreciate every single one of you. I enjoy this so much, and to have people enjoy it with me is just redonkulous. So thank you. Big Al signing off.